Gel electrophoresis is a method of separating DNA strands by size. DNA is a double helix of nucleotides that is negatively charged. It can be split by restriction enzymes and then glued together by ligase, which then creates a plasmid.
Here is an example of a DNA plasmid. The gel we use for this lab is called agarose. It has small pores that allow the DNA to pass through and separates it by size.
Let's get started.
Tape each side of the plastic container and make sure you seal all sides so there's no leaks.
Then place the comb into the prepared tray. This creates wells in the gel.
Then pour the liquid agarose into the mold and let it set until it cools completely and is solid.
After the gel is hardened, remove the tape from the container. Then place it inside the larger container, making sure to line up the black side with the black side and the red side with the red side. Pour the buffer over the container and then remove the comb slowly.
Put a sterile tip on the micropipette. Fill micropipette with loading dye, which contains the DNA.
Carefully and slowly fill the wells with loading dye.
Place the lid on the container, lining up black with black and red with red. Slide to lock in place.
The black cord is negative, the red cord is positive, so the negatively charged DNA moves to the red cord.
Have your teacher help you with this part.
Watch as the dye moves from the negative side to the positive side in varying segments. The smaller pieces of DNA move farther because they can more easily fit through the small pores of the gel.